Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti in a healthy style. So let's see how to do it. Okay guys, let's check out what ingredients we need for this. First we need 400 grams of spaghetti packet, a small tin of tuna, 500 milliliters of cooking cream, some spinach, 1 tomato, 2 big onions, 2 green chilies, and some garlic. And also we need small amount of pepper, salt, cloves, and cardamom. Finally, we will take some rosemary, cheese, and a bit of butter. If you want a richer taste, you can add a little wine, but that's optional. Okay, so now we are going to cut the ingredients into small pieces. You only need a few ingredients to make this, and it's good for breakfast or dinner. Actually, it's very easy to make. Then let's crush the garlic. Everything is ready now, so let's start cooking. First, we are gonna boil some water for the spaghetti. And I'm adding just a little olive oil. Now add spaghetti. I break into pieces, but you can add it as you like. Add salt to taste. Then let it boil for about 15 minutes. After boiling, move on the next step. Heat some olive oil, then add the crushed garlic and tuna. Stir it around to fry them a bit. Then add cardamom, cloves, salt, and pepper. And mix well. Now add the chopped onion and lime. You can at the same time add butter and cheese. So then mix it all together again. Now it's time to add the cooking cream. Then add the chopped green chilies, tomatoes, and the steamed spaghetti. Mix it again. Finally, we add spinach. By now, you can see the cooking cream become thicker. So it's now time to take it off the stove. Here's our yummy spaghetti. Just add a little rosemary and it's ready to eat. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you next time with another delicious recipe. Until then, bye guys.